Hey guys, for our Blu-ray update of the week, we just got The Incredibles for the first time ever in Blu-ray high definition, released today, April 12. This one is a 4-disc, 2 discs Blu-ray, 1 DVD, 1 digital copy. As you can see right here, 4 discs. Also comes with the Disney movie rewards. Let me show you the back cover here. As you can see right here, ABC, it is region free, and of course the DVD just region 1. So let's open this one together and let's see what goodies we're gonna find today. Let me get the rewards code here. The flyer, the code. It just comes with a get a free movie admission to Cars 2. Seems all you have to do is go to the Disney movie rewards, put your code, follow the simple steps, and print a voucher. The voucher is going to be your movie ticket. So here we have those conventional cases with the Blu-ray. Very cool design. Here's the bonus material in Blu-ray. Here's the DVD. And the digital copy, of course. So let's go with this again. The Blu-ray ABC, region free. And the bonus in Blu-ray also ABC. So they're both region free. Let me show you up close here the specs. Okay, so if you've seen my videos before, if you subscribe to my channel, you probably know how I do my videos. So for this one, I'm also gonna post the link to the Disney movie rewards where you can get the $10 off. It's pretty simple. You just go to the Disney movie rewards. If you have an Incredibles DVD, of course, you have to put the product code, put it in, and then you're gonna print the coupon. It's a $10 coupon. You can bring to your Best Buy, Walmart, whatever. So price-wise, I don't know about Best Buy, but I do know that Walmart is selling this one for $35. But if you go to Amazon.com, it's $25. So you're already getting your $10 off right there, right on the spot. So you don't have to go to all this paperwork here. So, but it's up to you. What else can we say here? Oh, something else. This movie, The Incredibles, it's really incredible. The image and audio. Of course, I'm going to give 10 stars for the picture quality. I mean, everything from Disney and Pixar, it's always the best. But the thing is, I'm upset is the sound. The sound is 5.1. You know, I'm really pissed about the sound. Why they did not bring a 7.1? This is one of the loudest Pixar movie that you can enjoy in 7.1. I mean, you have everything else. You have Tangled, Tron, Bambi, Fantasia, Pinocchio, Toy Story 3, Beauty and the Beast, Snow White in 7.1. Why this one has to be 5.1? So, you know, regarding the sound, I'm pretty pissed. Alright guys, so just don't forget, this one is just a 4-disc, not 5. And feel free to ask any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching my videos, and see you next time.